What's up, Kailian? It's me, Shireen, and today is Easter Sunday, and yeah, we're going to the church. Outfit check. Back from Kipling. Day to day. And what is this? Or naturalizer. Then this what? Naturalizer. Yeah. Subscribe.
Kasi recent.
Kaya lang hindi man siya nakalimutan ni baby kasi continuous pa din yung message pag may mga okasyon. Tapos pag din, kunwari birthday, binigyan ko sila. Ha? Oy, sorry. Church day. Yung totoo, nagdakot ako. Arte now. Reklamo later. Ano? Arte now. Reklamo later. Sino kaya itong bago supervisor na naman? Lunch at Kuya Ken's house. Happy birthday. Higa agad. Higa agad. Share ko lang guys, lahat ng mga makikita nyong pagkain, lahat yan homemade. Baka nandito sa kusina. Ang dami ko nakita itlog. Di ba tuloy na nakain? Hanapin mo naman. Saan? Sa air fryer. Oh, pinuksan ko yun ah! This is the egg. There are 3 eggs. Nakaganito. Gusto nga po yung dala ko. Sa'yo to? Apo. Tingnan mo nga to. So, wala na sa ano. Wala na sa kusina kasi naano ba yung dalawa. But this is a goose. Goose. So, there are 3 eggs. And then, 2 eggs. Wala yung sa kusina? Hindi. Wala yung sa kusina kasi tatlo. Wala na yung sa kusina. Wala na sa kusina kasi naano ba yung dalawa. Loud! Pauso!
Iba ba? Iyan daw ba natin?
Uno. Ha? Swap card. Pauno-uno pa. May panglaban ka, mother?
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay.
Oh, ikaw.
Ganyan din.
So, we're on our way to Mall of UAQ and nakiride kami kay Ate Marie Chris. Thank you! Kasi nadadaanan niya pag pauwi siya. So, grocery time! Mag-grocery na nakaganto. Nagsantal ako, girl. Pasensya na, hindi ko abot eh. Sandal pa more. Nag-grocery. Parang mali pala. Nagsakit to yung saka. Tahan ko dito yung sandal. Guys, hindi ko kinaya yung sandal kaya napabili. Marvel kid section. This is my favorite kimchi. May sale sila ngayon kasi Easter. Digidagasum na lang, napanda ka inbaon. Ish, I want the favorite ko nga flavor. This is the deal. Yan yung mga kain nila dito. Mga nandito na lahat sa grocery area. Mga gulay. Yan. 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 Ito yung mga healthy choice. Make your own salad. Whether mapagulay or fruit. So, dito yung mga frozen foods. Diba? Napakalawak. Ayoko na, guys. Walang Chucky. Walang Chucky, guys. So, guys, trivia lang. Tuwing Ramadan, mapagbigay po yung mga lokal dito. So, I remember last time, may nagbigay sa akin, may naglibre sa akin ng donuts, yung 1 dozen. Shukran. Nagkankanbas man ang hangin. Ay, shuk na umakong tinakbo ang school. Ito guys, may Bath and Body. Tapos dito yung Adidas, sale sila ng 30% or 70% off. Minsan natsambahan ko rin po yung ano, buy 2 and then free yung isang item. O diba? Yay! Wala, pipili na kami. Ulit, ha? Eto guys, ang ganda niya, jogger. Jogger siya guys, ang ganda. Tapos ito yung, ay wala na yung pair. May pair siyang jacket eh, nakalimutan ko kung saan. Meron siyang pair na jacket eh. Just forgot pair. For yan, sale yung mga yan. From, ano na yan? From 6,000 pesos dyan. From 6,000 pesos. Dito, 2,000 pesos na lang, girl. 2,000. Grabe yung sale nila dito, guys. Grabe sila mag-sale dito. Yan, iba-iba. Yan, oh. 7,000 to, sabihin na natin 3,000. Oh, from 7,000 to 3,000. Galing. Ganda. Ito guys, ang ganda ng design. From 7,000, ngayon mag-sale siya ng 2,000 pesos. Wow. One hour later, naka-check out na. Thank you, Lord. So, yeah. That's it, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button because why not?